Hello everybody. Thought I would do a video today on the outside. If you wonder what I'm looking around for, I'm looking around for copperheads. This year they've been fairly abundant in Tennessee. I was reading the other day where someone had been bitten by a copperhead. Usually if you are in an area and there's a lot of black snakes, they have a tendency to keep the poisonous snakes at bay. That's why no one in this part of the country will kill a black snake. If you're around an old barn, it's almost impossible not to see a black snake, because black snakes are protected by farmers. I'm going to walk over here. There's a wet weather stream of water, and it's dry. You can see there's an old fence in the back of the property, but basically what I wanted to do today is see how this wireless microphone works. I'm using a Gopro Hero 8 Black, and so anyway, I wanted to do a test of the Hero 8 Black with a wireless microphone. So this is my outdoor video.